peregrine falcon is literally the fastest animal on planet Earth, reaching speeds of 290 kilometers per hour when diving for prey. These deadly hunters don't just fly fast. They're master assassins of the sky. They fold their wings into a teardrop shape and plummet downwards in what's called a stoop, striking their victims mid-air with razor-sharp talons. The impact alone can kill instantly. But here's the wild part. These birds have special nose bones that help them breathe at insane speeds, plus a protective inner eyelid so they can see clearly while diving at highway velocities. They've even adapted to city life, nesting on skyscrapers and hunting pigeons like urban apex predators. From nearly extinct in the 1960s to over 1,700 pairs today, peregrines prove nature always finds a way to dominate.